Let's download Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11 ISO file directly using Rufus. Make sure your USB is connected and you will select this section with the drop down arrow and then go on to the download section. Once you select download or click download, after a couple of moments you will see this pop-up notification which shows download ISO image. We have Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1. UEFI shell 2.2 and 2.0. Let's click Windows 10, select next, select the build and then select the edition and click continue. Select the language, we'll leave it to English International and then we will click continue. Let me open my download section and it should show the download is started. Now you can select the architecture which is based on x86 and here we have the download folder. You need to select that and click save. Once the ISO file is downloaded, you need to open Rufus in order to flash that to create a bootable USB flash drive. Let's go inside the download section. There you go. We have Windows 7. If we refresh this page, you will see the file size is increasing depending on internet speed. It can take between 5 to 10 minutes. That's how easy it is to directly download the official Microsoft Windows 8, 10 and 11.